Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to service Tesla Model 3. Begin by parking on level ground, engaging park, and disconnecting the 12V battery before any work. Inspect tires for uneven wear and check tread depth with a gauge. Remove debris from the underbody and check the cabin air filter. Rotate tires every 500 miles or per driving conditions, and keep a clear service log for future reference and safety. Start with a walk around and listen for unusual noises during a slow test drive outside the garage. Measure brake pad thickness and inspect rotors for grooves or heat spots, replacing parts as needed. Check tire pressures to the recommended SI and look for sidewall damage. Examine suspension joints and shocks for leaks or play, and record torque specs when tightening fasteners to maintain safety and alignment accuracy. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and make more guides. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth changed how I think about money and simple planning, and it pairs well with maintaining long-term ownership costs. Check the description for the link and other deals, grab it if curious, and now let's get back to the video. Protect the high-voltage battery by checking coolant levels and hoses for leaks and replacing worn clamps or lines promptly. Inspect the 12V system for corrosion and clean terminals while wearing insulated gloves. Keep the vehicle software up to date to receive battery management and charging improvements, and verify updates complete successfully. Regularly calibrate regenerative braking and test charging behavior to ensure efficient range and consistent performance over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.